Every week at our family meeting, we have a section called Tough Truce. I learned two related things that I want to share with you today very quickly. First, during Tough Truce, I thought it was a time where I could give the kids some feedback to nudge them in the right direction. The most learning I got is when they gave me some feedback. And so one day at dinner, Henry said, "Dad, you're on your cell phone a little bit too much in the evening." Now that's a tough truth for me to take. And initially I felt like Adam Sandler and Happy Gilmore at the beginning, where he puts coins into the baseball pitching machine, just stands there and like lets the baseballs hit him, and he's wincing and all that. My wife taught me something valuable. When you have a tough truth, you have both your inward and your outward reaction. It is best to take a little bit of a breath and don't say things like, "Well, you don't know I'm still working. Well, I got to communicate with family. Well, I got to check your schedule." There's a lot of snarky things that I could respond with, and I have before, but I've improved because my wife gave me that feedback. And the second, very related, comes from Victor Frankel's Man's Search for Meaning. He says you get a stimulus and then you get a response. It's that reaction that you're going to give when you get some feedback. And in that little gap between stimulus and response is your power and freedom to make a decision. So I like to slow down. Sometimes I'll even make a little noise like, I gotta think on it. So, I have been on my phone a little bit too much, and I'm gonna work on that.